1st of January, I was privileged to take over the role of Managing Partner at Gardner & Theobald, and I'm delighted to report that over the last 12 months, G&T has had another successful year. We took a strategic decision 6 years ago to focus on delivering our core services in our core markets of the UK and US, and that strategy has continued to serve us well, despite the economic and political headwinds of Brexit and the US and China trade war. We have seen strong growth in both the UK and US, and we've continued to be appointed on some of the most challenging, complicated and demanding projects in those core markets. Over the course of our financial year, which ended on the 30th of April 2019, we saw our fee income grow by 6% to just over £190 million. We saw increasing opportunities across almost all of our core service lines, with particularly strong growth in project management both in the UK and the US. In addition, in the UK, our work in the areas of programme management and project controls, particularly in the infrastructure, transportation and defence sectors, saw significant growth. We believe that our clients continued throughout the year to place a value on a specialist business able to deliver sophisticated, independent and high-quality services. We're now 6 months into our 2019-20 financial year, and the growth that we saw in 18-19 has continued through that period. Looking ahead to the second half of the year, the indications are that growth will continue for us, and we therefore anticipate further organic and measured growth over the course of this financial year. But, like many of our clients, we see the need for a more cautious view looking further ahead due to the political and economic uncertainty that is out there. Rather than focus on the size of our business, our attention will continue to be on our 3 core principles that have driven and will continue to drive our success. The first of those principles is delivering a world-class service to our clients. The second is recruiting, retaining and developing the best talent in the marketplace. And the third is to remain financially strong and financially independent, wholly owned and wholly funded by our current generation of partners. And most importantly, we want to provide that same opportunity for ownership to the next and subsequent generations of Gardner & Theobald partner. We believe that providing an opportunity for ownership and influence over our business allows us to attract and retain the best talent, which in turn allows us to deliver world-class service levels to our clients. As a group of partners, we are determined to leave an even stronger business for the next generation than the one that we've inherited. As part of that determination, I am personally committed to giving our next generation of talent the best possible opportunities to succeed, and over the last year, the investment in our next generation programme has increased. We have also expanded our network of industry partners, which also allows us to enhance and accelerate the learning and networking opportunities for our own young talent, and allows us to help support and develop the wider talent across the built environment. We also remain committed to diversifying our workforce, and an important part of that commitment is to remain one of the industry's leaders in training. We had a number of school, college and university students spend the summer with us on work experience, and it was great to welcome 50 new apprentices and graduates into the UK business a couple of months ago. We also remain focused on investing further in our post-qualification and technical training to all levels of the firm in order to help all of our employees achieve their full potential. In addition, we will continue to support and invest in the communities in which we work. We continue to invest in our GT Market Intelligence platform, where we host our industry-leading tender price research as well as other thought leadership papers and market insights. As the audience grows for this platform, it's been encouraging to receive so much positive feedback on the quality of our data, technical insights and research papers. Our continued success would of course not be possible without the full support of all those who work for Gardner & Theobald, but most important of all is the support that we receive from our clients and fellow industry consultants. We're enormously grateful to them for their continued support and for the trust that they place in us to help deliver their projects. It's been a very exciting and interesting year, and together with all of the partners and employees at G&T, we are very much looking forward to the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead of us.